What's fresh everyone, welcome back to the channel. In last episode we did unboxing of 500 USD Hypebeast mystery box from eBay, and I have promised you guys that in the next episode I will be doing an unboxing of a Hypebeast mystery box from none other than Sultan from UK. So this is your boy Sultan and this is your favorite Hypebeast channel from India on YouTube, Sultan Nation. So let's start this episode. So in the last episode we did unboxing of 500 USD Hypebeast mystery box from eBay. If you haven't seen the video, I am giving you the link on iClick link over there. You can click on the link and you can watch the video right completing after this video. And in today's video we're gonna do unboxing of 100 USD Hypebeast mystery box from Sultan. It's going to be a Bape exclusive Hypebeast mystery box. So let's start the video. So guys, we finally have our Sultan Hypebeast mystery box. It came by airmail. It has been posted by Royal Mail. Came from Sultan, Bristol, United Kingdom. If you want to see the address. So it has fragile sticker all over it, and it took like 10 to 12 days for this package to come to India from United Kingdom. So we are good to go and we are good to unbox it. So let's start the unboxing. Okay. So this is it. So this is our box. Wow. So it has Sultan written over it. All items 100% authentic. Sultan logo. It has LV logo as well. And this is Sultan. So let's start the unboxing. I think this is the way out. This is the way out. So the very first thing we got from the Hypebeast mystery box is a Supreme shower cap. A Supreme shower cap. It's like 10 pound item. So the very first item we got from this mystery box is a Supreme shower cap worth 10 pounds. So this is the first item. Okay. So this is our main item from the mystery box. It's a Sultan only authentic item inside. One in this bag is not a toy. So this is Sultan's packaging. This is a bathing ape since 1993. It's 90 pound US. It's 90 pound item. So this is a bag, a laptop bag. I think this is a laptop bag from Bape and should cost somewhere close to 120 USD, and I think it's a good chain. I'm already liking it. So this is the bag. This is a laptop bag which I have got it, and I think there are certain other things as well. Sultan sticker. I have also got a Sultan sticker, and then we have a teriyaki sauce sticker, Bape sticker. So for 100 USD we have got this bathing ape Bape laptop bag, easily worth somewhere close to 120 USD. And then we have this Sultan sticker. We have got this teriyaki sauce sticker and a cute Supreme shower bag from Spring Summer 2019 Supreme collection. So that's all for today's episode. A huge shout out to my man Sultan for sending me this fire camo print bathing ape laptop bag and this cute Supreme shower cap. This is from Spring Summer 2019 collection from Supreme. So guys, I'm sure you already know that we are running a giveaway contest on this channel. For that you have to follow some instructions. You have to follow me on Instagram, you have to subscribe this channel right now, and you have to leave your comments with your t-shirt size and your sneaker size. You can win some merchandise from all those Hypebeast collections and mystery boxes, and you can also win some t-shirts and some sneakers. So guys, I hope you have liked today's episode. This is your favorite Hypebeast channel on YouTube from India. This is your boy Sultan signing off. See you in the next episode of Knowhype. Till then, peace and love.